So I did my website on group dynamics, and group dynamics is pretty much how people act in a group and how they relate with others when they're in that group setting. I decided to do my website on this topic because I was really intrigued by the different group behaviors that we discussed in class, and I wanted to learn more about them. And I find learning about how and why people act a certain way, I just find it really interesting. So, social loafing is the first subtopic I did research on, and that's when a person or multiple people in a group rely on other group members to do the work. And this is really one of the main problems that's associated with group work. De-individuation is when a person makes bad decisions when they lose their sense of identity, especially when they're in a large group because they assume that they can't be held responsible for their own actions. Group polarization is when people who have similar opinions make their opinion more extreme after talking with other group members that have that same opinion. And this is seen a lot in presidential rallies. Lastly, I did the bystander effect, which is when people do not help someone who's in danger or being hurt because they think that they either think that others will help or that since no one else is doing anything that nothing must be wrong with them. And overall, I was really interested by learning about this topic, and I thought it was really cool to learn about why people made the decisions they do when they're in groups.